Hi everyone. So today I will be discussing Leetcode daily challenge problem 171 Excel sheet column number. So in this problem we are given a string column title and we have to return where its corresponding what would be its corresponding column number. So let's say if the column title is A, then the output would be 1. If the column title is AB, then the output would be 28. If the column title is ZY, then the column number would be 701. So, uh, so, uh, so let's say we have some levels. So let's say this is level 1 and till Z. Now this is level 1 and 26 letters are there in this level 1. Now for this A, let's say in the level 2 it would be A B till AZ. Similarly BA till BZ. Similarly till ZA ZB and ZZ. Now these are 26 possibilities and 26. But this whole level is of 26 square possibilities. Now A B C till Z. These are 26 square possibilities. Again B B C 26 square possibilities. ZAA ZAB ZAC Z 26 square possibilities. This level would have 26 cube possibilities. Now if let's say there is a string DAC and we want to determine its corresponding column number, so how would we do that? Now we know that DAC, so where it would lie? It would lie somewhere in this level. So how many numbers we will have in this level that are present before this D? So for this D, starting with D, the first this would be DA. The starting one would be DA. So now if we see in this level, uh, there are AAA till AZZ, BA, ZZ, CAA, CZ. So these are the possibilities that are already, we know that these are before this DAC. So these possibilities are 3 into 26 square. Now we also know that there are possibilities at this above level also that are present before this DAC. So these possibilities are simply 26 square. So it would be 3 plus 26 square, 3 into 26 square plus 26 square for these possibilities. Now we have done the calculation for D. Now we move to A. Now let's say we forget about D and we only have AC, let's say. So where would this lie? So this would lie here somewhere in this level. So we will see how many letters, how many uh, for example for D we had A, B and C, but this is AC already, so we don't have anything before this level. In this level we don't have anything before this A because A is present here, but uh, similarly for this case we had taken this 26 square of the above level, so for this AC also we will take 26 of the above level, so it would be 3 into 26 square plus 26 square from this level plus 26 for this AC coming from this level plus where would this C lie? C would be at the third position, and C is somewhere in this level, but there is no level above this level, so it would simply be 3. So this would be the final answer. Now for any generic string, let's say for any level, let's say the level R4, and we have, let's say, R B E C B D. Let's say these are, this is the column title. Now this E, so this would be in fourth level. So for the fourth level we would have, for the third level we had 26 cubes, so for the fourth level we will have 26 raised to power 4. But what would be coming in this position? So it would be simply 5, because E uh, E is the fifth letter. Now if you see this, if we combine, this is 4 into 26 square, which is also this fourth letter D. So now this is 5 into 26 raised to power 4, plus for C it would be 3 26 cube, plus for B it would be 2 into 26 square. Okay, wait. One thing. Okay, 26 square. For 26 square here. Okay. So for D, for 3 levels we had this 26 square, not 26 cube. So for this fourth, it would be 5 26 raised to power 3 and 3 into 26 raised to power 2 plus 2 into 26, and for D we have 4. This would be the final answer. So in the code also, what I have done is I am looping till the length of the string. So see, and this is uh, first letter, so I is here. Now what I am doing is, first of all, calculating this uh, power. So how the power is calculated? 26 raised to the power, the length of the string is 4 minus I minus 1. So currently I is 0, to 4 minus I minus 1, which is 3, so it would be 26 cube. And this I am multiplying it with uh, this ASCII value of this E. It is 70, and yeah, it would be minus 64. So it would be 5 into 26 cube. Similarly, for this C it would be 3 into 26 cube, 26 square. And similarly for B, and then I am just summing up all the possibilities. And the time complexity of this problem would simply be the length of this string, and the assuming the power function takes over one time. But if it takes, let's say, log n time, then it would be n log n, but for simplicity it would be O of n, where n is the length of the input string, which is column title.